Hey YouTube! So in honor of the video that I posted yesterday, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this color. Stay tuned! So today I'm working with a water wave lace front unit sponsored by S. Damie wig, and this wig is coming 1B, but today I'm going to do a blonde strip on the front, like on the hairline, and I'm going to lift the back like maybe to a 4. And the trick to this color is I'm going to be doing this entire color in only 2 processes, and the second process is just a dip dye. So instead of, the dip color that people normally do on platinum blonde hair, we're doing a dip bleach, all right? So this is going to be quick and easy. All right, so for the products today, I'm using the 30V developer from Clairol, and I'm using BW2 bleach powder. Now, I would have used 40V if I knew I didn't have it because it lifts a little more and faster and brighter, but I didn't even check. So 30V is all we're working with today, but hey, that's okay. All right, so after I paint this bleach on, I'm gonna let it process for about 30 minutes so it can lift as high as it possibly can. Cause I really want this streak in the front to be like blonde, not like gold blonde. So I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum foil over it, and the foil kind of contains the heat and traps the heat, and it helps it lift more. But the thing with aluminum foil is it can really like trap some heat on the hair. So you have to keep checking it and maybe airing it out, because I've definitely melted some hair in my lifetime, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to do that today. Okay, so this process did good. Okay, a little 30 volume. So I'm gonna rinse this out and shampoo it, completely dry it, and then add another coat of bleach on top. Now, if you don't dry the hair completely before you bleach again, it's not gonna lift at all, and you're gonna waste your time and your energy, and you're gonna be mad. Now time for my favorite part. So I have some warm water, some BW2 bleach, and my 30 volume developer, and we're just going to, make my little dip bleach concoction. All right, so the thing about this is not a proven method, and I don't have exact measurements. I just kind of like do what I feel, but I do know that the more water you add to this mixture, the less strong it's gonna be. So because I just want to get a brown, I wasn't really concerned about how much water was in the bowl. But if you're like trying to go blonde or something, then I would only add maybe a cup of water, if that. So yeah. All right, so about 10 minutes later, if that, the wig is already the color that I wanted. Now, the only problem is this thing is hot. Okay, like I had to keep taking breaks because my hand kept getting burnt. So yeah, you really have to be careful when you're bleaching hair. And even with this water method, like this thing got hot. All right, so after about 3 or 4 shampoos, like really good shampoos, and 1 conditioner, there's no more bleach residue at all, and the hair is soft and it looks really good. I like it. All right, so if you guys want to see this install, I'm going to put the link in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.